Hey, Sammy.
What's up, flower country bumpkin?
What you up to?
Doing tattoos. I love being paid to hurt someone.
Sometimes you scare me.
Hi, girls.
Hi, Ms. Brown.
Oh, we're not in school. Call me Megan. I just wanted to ask you girls what cosplay you're doing for the Star Trek party next week.
Why do you care?
Oh, you're in a good mood today, aren't you, Sammy? I just wanted an idea of what everyone's wearing. It is one of our major events, after all.
I'm doing 7 of 9. Got the silver outfit. Just need to make sure the cyber implants are right.
I'm doing Major Kira, freedom fighter. I love the nose, and I love the idea of killing people for a good cause.
Does anybody know what Rose is doing?
Rose, she's doing a Dappa girl, and she has a great dance to go with it.
I'm thinking of doing a Vulcan, if I can get the ears right.
Hold on, Geek Squad coming.
Hi, Scott. Hi, Josh.
Peace, hippie sis.
Hey, what's up?
Sammy, how's your brother and sister doing?
Terry's busy at the radio station, and Allie's out of town, but she'll be back in time for the party.
I'm going as one of those hippies from The Way to Eden, the classic Trek episode. They are so way out.
James and Austin want us to go as Ferengi.
That's quite a makeup job.
It fits, considering how much you guys charge for comics.
Oh, okay. I'm just gonna let that one go.
Violet, what do we say when we belch?
Better out of the front than out of the back.
Do I need to put you in etiquette classes at our school?
Hey, I'm impressed. I thought you were a pure girly girl.
I'm a little of both. Scott, did the Batman comics come in yet?
Which ones?
Batman Beyond, Batman 66, and the adaptation of the new cartoon.
The first two are in. I'm not so sure about the last.
Give me some Walking Dead comics.
Yeah, Sammy used to see her relatives.
You're so funny.
Now, girls, behave. Don't snipe. Oh, it's time for my outdoor class. Let's go, Violet.
Coming.
So, Josh, how are things with Bree?
They're okay. But lately, she's been so different. Like, she's like two different girls. One minute she's her tough, girly girl stuff. The next she's this meek, mild tomboy. Go figure.
She was always weird, and not in a good way.
Oh, you mean like you, Sammy?
If I might be able to take you guys into my confidence.
Sure, I'm no stool pigeon.
No, she's a raven.
Nevermore.
You can trust me. What's up, man?
I think I'm falling in love with another girl. And the worst part is, she's related to Bree.
Wow, that's so scumbaggish. Didn't know you had it in you, flower boy.
Who is it?
Her cousin Candace.
Wow, she can be quite a player. She's like a sister to me. Think Bree might trade her for Allie?
Seriously? Anyway, you need to think about this, man. Especially how it might affect the family.
I don't know. I have to think about it some more. Hey, think they might agree on a threesome?
Hippie love.
Really, you guys? Really? Oh, I'm gonna go sit in on the class. Oh, that reminds me. You guys remind me of a holiday.
How?
No class.
Okay, class. Welcome to How to Survive a Convention 101. Any questions to start off with?
Cosplay, let's talk about that. I love costumes.
Okay, what are your questions?
What is the difference between a cosplay contest and a masquerade?
Oh, well, in a cosplay, you get 8 minutes on stage, and the emphasis is skit first, costume second. In a masquerade, you get 90 seconds, and your costume is what's important.
What's a lightning round?
I'll take this one. It's when you get put in a room with lots of props, clothing, and odds and ends, and you get an hour or so to put together a costume and a skit to go into the lightning round of a masquerade.
Can we do a Gothic Lolita fashion show? I want to see dark designs.
Now, Kat, you need to understand Gothic Lolita culture better, but that's for another class.
Can we still wear costumes even if we're not entering contests?
Sure, that's called hall costuming, but people still take your pictures if they like your costume.
Do we need to worry about the mundanes messing with us?
Oh, usually not. They may comment or snicker, or they might even compliment you.
I hate the mundanes. They suck. I wish they would go
Maddie.
Let's go in the restaurant in our costumes and bare feet and really freak out the mundanes.
Now, girls, that's not right. Only some mundanes are hostile.
Can we go back to talking about costumes? Why do they call it a masquerade? Isn't that a party where people dress up nice and wear masks?
That's a masquerade ball, not the costume competition. Even I know that.
Please, stop being rude.
Sorry, Miss Brown.
I get it now.
Hey guys.
Hi, Scott.
Scott, why don't you tell us some appropriate comic book costumes for barefoot cosplayers?
Let's see here. We got Madame Xanadu, the Hulks, Shauna the Jungle Queen, Mystique, the Beast.
Why are we watching this?
To get a good laugh. But she reminds me of the Mole Man.
The Mole Man?
Yeah, she's such a bore.
Good.